Welcome to the best picks. The best Lefun is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets in the tech world right now, and for good reason, as it promises to revolutionize how we interact with our daily tasks through its innovative features and sleek design, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their tech arsenal and experience the future of personal technology firsthand. Number 5. Blink Mini Indoor Security Camera. Meet the Blink Mini, your compact indoor security camera. It's designed to keep an eye on what matters most inside your home, day or night. With its 1080p HD video, you can see, hear, and speak to people and pets right from your smartphone. Live view and two-way audio make it easy to stay connected. Receive instant alerts on your phone when motion is detected. You can even customize detection zones to focus on what's important. Use it as an indoor chime for your Blink video doorbell. You'll hear an alert the moment someone presses your doorbell. Setting up is a breeze, just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the app instructions. It also works seamlessly with Alexa for voice control and more. Choose to save and share clips with a free trial of our subscription plan, or store them locally with the sync module too. What we like. This camera is incredibly simple to set up and use, making it perfect for beginners. Its two-way audio allows you to communicate directly through the device. If you're looking for a straightforward way to keep an eye on your home and talk to your pets or family, this is a great choice. What people say. The Lefun has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor makes blending smooth and effortless, even with tough ingredients. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 4. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. This intelligent camera only records when it detects something important, like a person or your pet. It ensures you get the footage you need without unnecessary clutter. See every detail with stunning 2K clarity. You can view exactly what's happening inside your home, ensuring nothing is missed. Easily connected to your favorite smart home ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security. Once motion is detected, it automatically tracks the action, providing a full 360 degrees view of the room. You can see everything clearly, from corner to corner. Communicate in real time with anyone near the camera using its built-in two-way audio. Stay connected with your home, no matter where you are. What we like. Experience stunning 2K video quality for incredibly detailed views of your home. The pan and tilt feature provides complete 360 degrees coverage, ensuring no corner is missed. If you need comprehensive monitoring and want to track movement across an entire room, this camera is ideal. What people say. The Lefun device offers a comprehensive suite of features for tracking various health metrics, including steps, distance, calories burned, and sleep patterns. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive app make it easy to navigate and understand your health data at a glance. The long battery life ensures you can wear the Lefun device for days without needing to recharge, providing continuous monitoring. Number 3. Petcube Cam Indoor Wi-Fi Pet Camera. Keep an eye on your pets and home day and night with a wide-angle view and high-quality zoom. You'll never miss a moment, even in low light. Soothe your pet separation anxiety by talking to them and hearing their responses. You can even reinforce good behavior with your voice. Receive instant notifications for any activity at home. It intelligently identifies humans and pets, ensuring you're always in the know. Relive precious moments with optional cloud storage, allowing you to review up to 90 days of activity. Save your favorite clips and enjoy smart alerts. Getting started is simple. Download the app, plug it in, and connect to your Wi-Fi. Your data is protected with top-tier encryption for ultimate peace of mind. What we like. Get smart, AI-powered alerts for both motion and sound, so you're always in the know. The crystal-clear two-way audio is perfect for soothing pets or communicating with family. If you're a pet owner concerned about separation anxiety or want to stay connected with your furry friends, this camera is designed for you. What people say. Installation is super easy with the app and the picture quality is great. Night vision works well too. The setup can't be easier, and I love the ease of the app. It is straightforward and simple. The sound detection and motion detection work well, but can take a bit of trial and error to get the sensitivity to your needs. You can also adjust the notifications you get from it as well. The picture quality is great for the price you pay. The video, sound and night vision all work really well. It's compact, lightweight and way easier to get the angle you want with the adjustable stand. It comes with a magnetic base and a metal ring that you can screw into the wall. It also comes with double-sided 3M tape if you don't want to put a hole in the wall. Number 2. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home devices. It's designed for effortless use within the Apple ecosystem, offering a great no-subscription security camera solution. This outdoor camera is built to withstand any weather condition with its IP67 weatherproof rating. You can rely on its year-round performance for your home security. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. This security camera operates on a no monthly fee basis, so you don't have to worry about additional expenses. Benefit from an impressive 180-day battery life on just one charge. This provides extended, hassle-free security monitoring with minimal maintenance. Our intelligent human detection uses advanced recognition to accurately identify people. This elevates your security measures for a robust home security system without monthly fees. Capture every detail with stunning 1080p HD resolution. Enjoy clear visuals day or night with its advanced night vision capabilities. Receive alerts only when motion is detected, reducing unnecessary notifications. This smart system ensures you're alerted to what matters most. What we like. Enjoy robust home security without any ongoing costs, thanks to its no monthly fee design. The impressive 180-day battery life means less frequent charging and more consistent monitoring. If you're looking for a long-term, low-maintenance security solution that's also budget-friendly, this is an excellent option. What people say. Motion sensor, real-time video, and you have audio. Easy to install and set up, plus good picture with no subscription needed. The camera out front got great reception at all times, the one in the back was perfect until I moved it outside, beside the window frame. Of course I checked it inside the window before I spent 20 minutes hanging out of a second-story window installing it and had to uninstall it. That whole outside corner was a dead zone once it passed the window, so I installed it at the other corner of our second floor, outside the master bedroom. Works great and has decent resolution at night. Daytime definition is great, but when installed high off the ground, which it's not really designed for, it falls off, especially when the light is poor. I'm still happy, and after 2 weeks of me constantly checking it and fiddling with it, both batteries are still showing 100%. Recommended. The eufyCam 2C has easily replaced the Blink XT2 as my recommendation for outdoor wireless camera for the following reasons. Wider field of view, 2C is 135 degrees versus 110 for the Blink XT2, higher resolution recordings. The 2C records at 1080p, actual battery percentage meter. The 2C has a granular battery percentage meter. Built-in rechargeable lithium batteries. The 2CS have integrated lithium batteries charged over micro USB. On-device AI. The eufyCam 2C can be set to notify on all motion but also has optional on-device AI which notifies only for people. The AI is quite robust and for my application, cameras located outside of my place, resulted in approximately 1 false notification every 2 to 3 days on average, even with the cameras on maximum sensitivity. Privacy. The eufyCam recordings are stored locally on the home base too. Better included mounting gear. The mounting brackets included with the 2C are rock solid, compared with the XT2 mounts which a strong gust of wind can knock down your cameras. Shorter retrigger time and longer clips. The eufyCam 2C can record clips up to 120 seconds long with a retrigger time of 5 seconds. You will catch more this way. Number 1. Hosafe 4MP HD Wi-Fi Security Cameras. Introducing the Hosafe 4MP HD Wi-Fi Security Cameras, your ultimate solution for home and business security. Experience crystal clear visuals and reliable connectivity like never before. Enjoy a stable connection with dual-band Wi-Fi support, ensuring reliable coverage both indoors and outdoors. It's perfect for keeping an eye on your property, no matter where you are. This intelligent camera automatically tracks human motion, providing 360-degree coverage. It seamlessly returns to its original position, offering active monitoring for your peace of mind. Benefit from advanced AI that detects only people, significantly reducing false alerts. This ensures you receive notifications only when it truly matters for effective surveillance. Receive instant alerts on your phone when motion is detected. It can trigger a spotlight or siren to deter potential intruders and safeguard your property effectively. Communicate directly with family, friends, or visitors through the phone app using the built-in mic and speaker. Stay connected and in control, anytime and anywhere. Capture sharp video day and night with 4MP HD resolution and advanced night vision capabilities. It provides clear footage in both color and black and white, ensuring you never miss a detail. What we like. Capture incredibly sharp footage with 4MP HD resolution, ensuring you don't miss any details, day or night. Its dual-band Wi-Fi provides a stable and reliable connection for continuous monitoring. If you need a high-resolution camera with flexible connectivity options for both indoor and outdoor use, this is a strong contender. What people say. The LED light source that comes on with motion is pretty bright and a welcome addition to illuminating the subject area and obtaining full-color pictures at night. The image is very clear and adequate resolution. Night vision without the LED light on is very good as expected. The camera is very customizable. Using the eufyCam app on your phone you can find the IP address of the camera, go to Settings, Device Info and the IP will be displayed. Type that IP into IE and you have access to lots of settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.